How do you measure for new kitchen cabinets?
Ooh. Basically, you have the mindset, if you're measuring your own kitchen, pretend like there is nothing there. Remove the cabinets from the current kitchen. So what you're left with are walls, ceiling, floor, plumbing, and electrical. Those are the key things that need to be measured. How long the wall is, how wide the window is, how far the window is from the corner, how tall the ceiling is there going to be a new floor? Is it going to raise, how thick is the floor? Is it going to raise your cabinets up? Where's the plumbing? I need to have the sink base right there on the plumbing. So basically you envision the room with nothing in it and measure. Do not measure your current cabinets. That doesn't, because they're going bye-bye. The new cabinets will be based on the room dimensions.